You can see where I have fared a lot, I need to have more. Small spots that I have to redo a couple of small dents. My biggest problem right now is when I fare this, it's gonna be dusty inside here again. I can fare it outside or remove everything when I clean. I don't have decided how to do it yet. Yes, let's try some new primer on the lights and the first layer of primer on the skirts, of course. Then I will touch up some spots that need more primer. Now I take some more primer on these parts. I want to hit them some more on the spots where I went through. Just to be sure so the paint doesn't rise just in the end corners like this. And on this here I think we have a spot where it can go bad if we don't have some more primer on it. So now we hit some primer on this part. It's this part I'm most concerned of. Maybe it's too rough over here. But I will try to lay some more primer on it and see what's happened. Or else it's just small spots like this. Let's try it. And now some mercury grey on top of it. We wait for a couple of minutes. It's sticky there. Yes, it looks good so far. Just look at it. Now we're here again, and this time we're gonna take the skirts from the wheelhouse. All four is lined up here, and it's gonna get some Q7 Mercury Grey. The first layer is very thin, just to get the rest of the layers to stick very well. I think it's good enough. Maybe one layer more. Let's see if we have better luck this time. Last time I tried to paint this, the paint crackulated. I think it depends on what I use to clean them. I clean them with the same thing I have been cleaning the car all the time. The silicone cleaner, silicone burner. But it's turned out that that's not good to do. So I have this rug instead, and we'll go over all the surface with this rug. Then we're gonna paint the first paint layer on them. We let that dry for a couple of minutes. So let's see here. The base coats on the lights here, they look great. Really, really good. It's only the base coat right now. We will get the clear coat later. When I have more parts ready, we're going to take the clear coat on several parts at a time. Because the clear coat has an opening time. Once I start spraying with the spray cans, I have an opening time to where this can is trash. So that's where I will take the base coat on all the parts first. Then we take the clear coat. And when I'm finished with all the parts, we will go over to take care of the car. I have the rear bumper left to do, and let's see, the front bumper is over here, and the front bumper and these vents. So let's take care of, now we're gonna take care of the front bumper. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.